State Academy.
Okay, so Meghana, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus level 1.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the answer for 7 plus 9 plus 7 minus 9 plus 6?
20.
Next question, 2 plus 5 plus 6 minus 5 plus 7.
15.
Next question, 3 plus 6 plus 9 minus 9 plus 7.
16.
Next question, 7 plus 8 plus 9 minus 3 plus 5.
26.
Okay. Next question, 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5.
18.
Next question, 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus 5 plus 8.
10.
Very good. Next question, 6 plus 7 minus 4 minus 6 plus 3.
6.
Good. And the last question, 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 minus 8.
21.
Okay. Very good. Congratulations, you have completed your Abacus level 1. So now you are going to enter into the level 2. Okay. Keep it up. Good luck.